Thank you for joining to my channel today. Today we're here to review the Launch. This is the carrying case it comes in, which is very nice. Keeps everything organized. Inside, it's well packaged. Trying to do things with one hand here. We open it up, and we got this nice package. We got all the connectors and stuff right here for different types of vehicles and other things. Then we got the smart box. Nothing too special. USB to computer, power port, and then of course the OB2 connector. Over here we have something for BMW. And underneath this foam we've got the tablet itself. We're going to go ahead and power it on. It also has a kickstand. Then all the little paperwork that comes with it. Then underneath here, we got the extension cable for the J-Box or the VCI, whichever one you want to call it. It's color coded. In this thing, we got the cigarette lighter plug-in for the J-Box and a couple other connectors there. Then the USB from computer to J-Box, so you can go update vehicle software, stuff like that. Behind this other little door, we got more connectors. Of course, the battery. And then we got the charger to the tablet for USA outlets. And other bunch of connectors. This is something new to me. I'm used to Alltel, so I'm still learning with this. It's not that complicated that I can tell. But this is what the screen looks like. When you first start it up, you're going to have to log in, which I'm already logged in. Be a button over here. Then you're going to have to do software updates, which this one's requiring more software updates. And it don't take that long to update. You hit select all and update all. And of course, this is how fast it goes. As long as you got a fast internet connection. Almost done. I have used it once. I haven't used it anymore because I'm still trying to learn it. But this is just a little review. Give y'all something to look at. I liked my Autel. It was very simple to use. This one was not too complicated. But like I said, I keep all my paperwork and book right there for easy access if I needed it. All of it's installed. Just hit OK. Now you got remote diagnostics here, service functions, which is brake reset, oil maintenance reset, steering angle, battery matching, ABS, electronic throttle, DPF regen, TPS AC, adaptive front lighting, coded GCU, coolant bleed, crank positioner, adaptive learning, EGR, transport mode, tire reset, sunroof reset, start reset. And then we're just back out of here. Local diagnostics. You go in. It has all your vehicles that you choose from. BMW, Cadillac, Chrysler, Chevrolet. We're going to Chevrolet. And this is what would come up. And you can go to vehicle coverage and manually input your vehicle. I ain't got it hooked up to a vehicle right now. That's going to be here for another video. And then it gives you all the vehicles that's capable of 3500s, so forth. Work 2015 vehicles and all that good stuff. We can go out of vehicle, and of course it ain't gonna connect to the VCI because I don't got it hooked up. All we're gonna do is just back out of it. As soon as it gets done, it's gonna tell me it can't do anything. Bluetooth connection failed. Just hit OK. Cancel. Then you got your common vehicles, your American, European, Asian, Chinese, CAN bus pan detect, purchased. And of course you could go into the mall. And then it has stuff you can purchase, $215, $56. Chevy EVs, DPFV, Basics, Sonata, Landwind, Nissan. And you can also go in here and purchase a commercial vehicle software. And it would do diesels. It also has motorcycles. Motorbike package, and then the e-commerce commercial vehicle software package. Service upgrades. Your engine power balance monitoring, intelligent cruise control system, AC system relearn, gas particulate filter, motor air calibration. And we can go out of the mall. Then it has diagnostics history. And like I said, I did have it hooked up to a vehicle. All you gotta do is just click on it and it'll bring it up. And it will bring up history of that vehicle, so you don't have to run through the system again if you disconnect it or whatever. Land Rover. Actually, I used it twice. I apologize. Then we can go out of there. You got your feedback, add this, other modules. You got your maintenance. You got your vehicle coverage. And brings up all different types of vehicles. Except then your user info, and then you have maintenance. Operating skills, DTC help, tech handbook, repair case, tire pressure maintenance database, on all that. Other modules, you got toolbox, product introduction, product manual, frequently asked questions, recording master, files, gallery, camera, Gmail, calculator, and tablet settings, all in that other modules. Intelligent diagnosis, this is what it looks like, but you gotta have your VCI connected, and it would do that, and it would decode the VIN. And of course, it ain't gonna let me back out. We gotta sit here and wait for it to say that. Just hit OK, hit cancel, and take you back out of it. So far, I'm happy with this product. I wish it was just a little bit more simpler, like the Autel tablets. I like Autel a lot. The only reason I switched to Launch is because of the price, and my Autel screen decided to go out on me, in which I try to call them to send it off to get it fixed. I paid for it. They told me they don't work on them tablets anymore. So I just went with a Launch Pro5 is what I got. It's a very nice tablet. Like I said, it's the X431 PRO5. If I had to do it all over again and start from scratch, I probably would try this company first. So more to come. I will be back probably tomorrow and let y'all hook it up to a vehicle, and we'll go through it that way. Just give y'all some learning functions. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm new to this. Thought I'd try it to help people out, to answer people's questions. So if you like my video, please subscribe.